Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a little haul. I picked up some items from the new Frank Garcia collection. I just picked up a little bit. I didn't go crazy. I wanted to incorporate some of the pieces with some of my other collections that I have from him, and let's get started in this haul. I did buy two impresslets. I was influenced by Karina Craft. She had shown a project share, and I saw some die cuts that she had shown, and this is, sorry for the glare, what is this called? This one is called, what is this called? They are, this one is kind of like a frame, and this one is like a heart, and these are the impresslets. I really haven't made a lot with these, and I can't believe I can't find the name on these. Oh, so this is Floral Frame, and this is Lucky Love. Okay, and I did cut them out, and they're basically really super strong embossing folders. So they do both. They emboss and they cut, which is really cool. And here's the frame, which I really loved, and I thought how dainty it was. And it has such nice little details. And here is the Lucky Love. So the leaf is cool. I'm like, it's 4-leaf clover. I'm not really gonna use that, but this heart is like, whoa, so cute. Love the little floral like outline. So thought that it was really sweet. And then let's get into the Twilight from Frank. I did pick up the 8x8. I love 8x8s. I think they're so great for making embellishments. I did already cut into it. Cut this one, but just do a quick little flip through. This does not have any gold foiling. So this is the back. This is this page. Love that little girl. And here's the back of that. Really spooky scene. This is the, I'll just flip this. This is the front, cut aparts. And then this is the pumpkins. They're like so cute too. And I'm really not a cute Halloween crafter. I don't really consider myself a cute crafter in general, but this is kind of fun. He mixes really cute and spooky. And then last but not least, we have this little page here with this page, which I love. And again, I just love this, like something like this, the orange, the black, and the pink. That's kind of like so my vibe. I love the spooky, but with the softness of, you know, the pinks. So I did pick up some of the, oh, I love these Satan crystals. First of all, I love Primus Satan crystals, but these were like, yes, the colors, like the black, the orange, the pink. The pink, I think it's a little too frosty in my opinion, but I love that like gunmetal, the black with the gold again, and then the orange. I did pick up two, and then I got the two puffy stickers that they had. So I'm not sure if it's me, but they look a little muted in color. And I'm not sure if it's because it's like vintage look, but it seems a little too muted in my opinion, but I'll still make it work. And then I did pick up some of the 12x12 because I didn't want to buy a whole paper pack, and I'm not sure what he did with the paper packs this year. It looked like he was giving 2 of each design instead of like the normal like 4. I think it's usually 4 of each design, so I'm not sure. I think it's a new like thing. So I got this large one, and although like I love this scene, I'm not really much of a scrapbooker. I really got it for this. The only downfall I feel like is when he does like the cut aparts, he always does the gold on the cut apart part, but love this, like the adding of the musical paper, just that layering. It's so pretty. I picked up a couple of these. I think I got 4 of each of these. And then, oh, I picked this one up. which is really cute. Again, I love the little gold speckles on this, but I bought it for this. Because I love this, like, kind of like this Halloween spooky scene. I think it's really fun. I got 4 of these. And then I picked up these, again, cut aparts. Super fun, super spooky. Kind of love that jack-o'-lantern guy. Like the raven, I love that. But the gold foiling is only on this, but I bought it for this. I love the pink spider webs. So pretty. Got 4 of these, or no, did I get 2? Only 2. Did get 4 of these, and again, these are such cute cut aparts. Gold foiling only on the cut aparts, but I bought it for this. Again, I love the mix of the orange, the pink, and the black. So this was like my page. So that is the stuff I bought for Twilight. I did pick up some stuff from the new, I think it's called Christmas Market. I didn't even pick up the paper pack because Lord knows I have way too much. And I picked up the poinsettias. I love poinsettias. I'm just a sucker for them. I did pick up the puffies. These look a little bit more vibrant in color. I'm sorry for the glare. Yeah, they look a little more vibrant in color. I'm not sure why he did it so muted in the Halloween collection, but these are really cute. Cute little puffies. And then I did get one of the ephemera packs. I didn't even get both. I'm not even sure why I bought it. I think I'm just like a sucker for a sleigh. I love the Santas. I love his Santas in particular. So yeah, like I'm not crazy about like the angel and the old school lady, but we'll make it work. And then I picked up, did I pick up a lot? No, I just picked up 2 papers in his collection. Like this is cute. Santa is really adorable. Again, like I'm not crazy about the old scenes. I got it for this. Like bam, look at that. I think these are called peonies, the flowers, I'm not sure. But with the pink, the Christmas trees, it's like, oh, so romantic. And then I got, I say I'm not cutesy, but I got it for the gingerbread. I just love this page so much. And then the back is like a really muted, minty polka dot page. Nothing crazy. So that is what I got from the Frank Garcia new release. And then I thought I'd show you, because I just got it, my Scrapaholics design team package. And I'm super excited for some of these new items, you guys. Oh, it's such a great, sturdy way to craft. And honestly, if you guys are looking for just really nice quality, this is the way to go. This is the, I think this one is a gatefold mini album. And if you buy it on our Etsy, they also include the SVG files. So you can just cut, glue, and decorate. And that makes it like so easy. And if you've ever made a shaker, I'll show you some of the shakers I made. One shaker. Sorry. This is an old, I made this last year, Memory Decks card that I made. Again, super easy. I did a little painting, and I love how this came out. And this is sturdy. So you got several layers of chipboard, and the shaker screen is always an acrylic piece. So just so you know, I have the little snow globe. Adorable. This is I think it's the gingerbread house. Again, I'll leave the link to the Etsy store down below. Buy the shakers, you get the SVG. So even if you don't after you use a shaker and you want to create your own, you can. So I think it's like such a 2-for-1. I also got this candy corn. I'm so excited to create shaker candy corn. Then we got the shaker candy cane. I also got the shaker gingerbread. This is just a shaker like ornament. And then I got the peppermint mini album. I'm so excited. Can't wait to create this. This is a little extra sheet included. This is like a Christmas street lamp kind of thing. We've got some sentiments. Love these. Oh, we got some spooky ghosts. And then I got the gingerbread house mini album. I'm so excited. And then she also sells sequence mix on her website if you are interested. Again, honestly, check it out. A lot of people have been asking me about it. If you have a cutting machine, electronic cutting machine, I think it's a even 2-for-1. And that is it for my haul today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.